Today let's take up the bills payable book. In our earlier session we have seen the bills receivable book. Bills payable is again related to the bills of exchange. When the purchaser of the goods, right, he gives his acceptance for paying the amount to the seller, that is, the acceptance given by him is the bills payable for him, right? Okay, so basically the written document which the seller prepares, right, is accepted by the purchaser, and since he has to pay the amount, it is bills payable for him. Whereas for the seller who draws the bill, it is the bills receivable, since he has to receive the money, right? Now the purchaser of the goods to whom goods have been sold on credit accepts the bill of exchange drawn on him, right, which is the bills payable for him, right? So whatever bills he has accepted, that will come in the bills payable book, right? Remember that when he pays the bill, actually on the due date when he pays the bill, that will come in the cash book because he is paying the bill, right? And as far as entries related to dishonor of a bill or renewal of a bill is concerned, they will come in the journal proper, right? So this one is basically for the bills that have been accepted by him, that will come in the bills payable book. I'll show you the format of the bills payable book now. Okay, these are the columns here. The first one is the serial number. The second one is the date of the bill. Sorry. The date of the bill, right? Then you have name of the drawer, the payee of the bill, term of the bill, date of maturity, the amount, and finally the remarks. These are the columns that we have in the bills payable book. Now let's take a small question to illustrate this. August 2010, let's say. Let's put the date as August 2nd, right? Accepted Naveen's bill for rupees 50,000 due at 2 months, right? And then August 24th, accepted the bill, accepted Mohanty's bill for rupees 75,000 at 1 month, payable at State Bank of India, let's say, right? Okay. Now we have to enter these two into the bills payable book. Now this is the format. I'm going to enter it here only. Serial number 1, date of the bill, the first one, it is August 10th, right? So put the date here as August 10th. Name of the drawer, Naveen is the drawer, accepted Naveen's bill, so Naveen is the drawer, so here we will write Naveen, right? And who is the payee? The payee again is Naveen only. The term of the bill is 2 months, right? Here it's the here due at 2 months. So August 10th, 2 months means September 10th, October 10th, and then 11, 12, 13, right? So it is 13th October. So here it is, date of maturity is 13th October, fine. Amount is 50,000, fine. That's all. The second one, the date is August 24th, right? So August 24th, name of the drawer Mohanty, and the payee is also Mohanty. Now here this bill is for 1 month. So what is the due date? August 24th means September 24th, then 25, 26, 27, right? So this is September 27. Amount is given here as 75,000. Now there's one more thing in this which says it is payable at State Bank of India, right? We can include one more column after this date of maturity before the amount column. I'll make it like this, or let the amount be here. Let me change this column. We can have one column where payable, right? This we had in the bills receivable book also. We can include it here also, where payable, and here you will write it is payable at State Bank of India, so here it will come, fine. After this you can have the remarks column, fine. So these are the two transactions we have. So at the end of the month you just total them. So this comes to 1,25,000, right? Now we have to post this into the ledger. Now here in the ledger we will make bills payable account. Bills payable account. Bills payable is a liability, so it will have a credit balance, fine. So when you make a bills payable account like this, whatever is the total of that bills payable book will come on the credit side of the bills payable book. That will be on the last day of the month. So we have August, so let's say August 31st, if it is done on a monthly basis, right? You will write buy sundries as per bills payable book, right? The total was 1,25,000, fine. Now for the other two accounts, that of the Naveen account and Mohanty account, right? So here you will write on the debit side with proper dates, a date, particulars, amount, on both for both the individuals. So here you will put the date. I think it was August 10th, right? So here you will write to bills payable account. This was 50,000, and in this case it is August 24th. You'll write to bills payable account 75,000, right? So these are the accounts of the drawers, the persons who have drawn the bill on you, the person from whom you have purchased the goods, right? So there it will come as to bills payable account. So from the bills payable book, you will make three accounts. I mean, like one account for bills payable and the other account for the drawer. Here we have got only two drawers of the bills. There are only two transactions. So we have made Naveen account and Mohanty account, and this is how you post it to the ledger, right? So this is the bills payable book, and again you should remember that whenever the bill is actually paid on the due date, it never comes anywhere in the bills payable book. It is always going to come in the cash book. Fine. And as far as the dishonor of the bills or the renewal of the bills is concerned, that is not concerned with the bills payable book. That is a journal entry which will come in the journal proper. Fine. So with that, I'll come to the end of this session on bills payable book. Next session we'll take up the journal proper and see what are the entries that will come in the journal proper. Bye.